Hey guys, so today we're going to be looking at your air filter in your Toyota Prius. Let's check it out. Alright, and here's your air filter. It's pretty simple. You just go 1, 2, 3, and then come over here, push it like that, and then boom, boom, and there we go. This guy just comes off, set him off to the side. And they say when you need a new air filter, it comes off just like this. What you do is you come on over and you tap it, and if you can see stuff fly out, then you need a new air filter. This one looks pretty clean, although 10 minutes ago I just shook it out really well and got stuff out. So, but if yours looks like this, you could probably keep on rolling with it. But yeah, just clean it out really good, and that'll help it do a lot better. It helps you save a little gas mileage. Also, they're not very expensive, so you could probably just go ahead and replace it too. So that's it. You just put this little guy back on here. This thing comes on up, and then you push down on that little tab to lock it. So that's it, and then this one just snaps on top. So that's it. Thanks for watching.